Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing some of the very important website which every developer should visit in their lifetime, because these websites gives lot of information for a software developer. If you really wanted to grow and if you really wanted to get as much as information related to software development, then definitely you should visit some of this website which I am going to talk in this video. The first website you should always visit is dzone.com. In this website, there are lot of articles can be related to agile, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud, database related articles, DevOps and security and web development. Very good articles you can find in this website. Definitely you can read these articles and you can enhance your overall development skills. The second one is W3 Schools. W3 Schools is very important website, especially if you are a key learner. If you are a key learner, if you wanted to learn related to HTML or CSS, JavaScripts or server-side coding, data analytics, XML tutorial, and you can easily learn the programming languages in these W3 schools. They'll give lot of examples. They do give a lot of examples, even small example which they give, which you can refer, and you can also try those examples online itself so that you can easily learn any programming skill. Then the third important website which I am recommending for you is Overflow. This is very important website which is available in the IT industry. In this website, there are various questions and answer which is asked by the developer. If you can see right here, you can see almost these many questions in JavaScript. Similarly, Python, Java, all developers, whenever they find any issues, they will be keep posting their questions here, and definitely other set of people will try to answer some of those questions very effectively so that you can get solved your problems in a very quicker manner. And this is a one-stop place for any questions or any challenges if you face. Just you should post your question here. Someone will definitely come and answer your question so that you can resolve yourself by going through these articles. And you have a good community as well. Yeah, you will find a good community which covers like almost any skills in the software industry. Fourth important website normally developer should know is GitHub. GitHub is a great place for the code repository. So you can see right, there are almost 73 million developers are working in this GitHub repository, and almost 4 plus million organizations are using this, and 200 plus million repositories have been already put in this GitHub. Fifth important website which I am recommending for you guys is Reddit forum. So Reddit forum, especially if you search any Reddit groups, so I just searched for software development. Here you can find almost 56,000 members are active in this community. You can post any questions here. Some expert or somebody will answer your question. Similarly, if you can see right, there are other subreddits related to programming, software architecture, software engineering, algorithm. You can name any of these subreddits. You can subscribe to these subreddits and you can keep coming regularly to this Reddit so that you can gain lot of insights on various topics in software development. Then the sixth website which I am recommending is Tuts Plus. Especially why I am recommending this Tuts Plus is you will find lot of tutorials, how-to tutorials related to web design, code. You can name anything related to coding. You will find lot of how-to tutorials in this website. Also, there are a lot of free courses also available which you can easily access and you can easily learn completely free of cost. So these are some of the very important 6 websites which I am recommending. Especially if you are a IT professional, definitely you should come and visit these 6 websites to enhance your technical skills, to enhance your knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.